For question 13, I'm going to follow the advice. And here's why these two are equal, because I would rather have the theta come first and think about shifting to the right or the left or blah, 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 and reflecting is a pain in the neck. So I'm going to think of this as tangent of, I'm going to factor out a negative, theta minus pi over 2 is what I'm going to graph. But then because tangent is an odd function, I can write this as negative tangent of theta minus pi over 2. So what I know about tangent is that it has asymptotes at negative pi over 2, positive pi over 2, etc. But I'm going to take this whole thing and I'm going to shift it to the right by pi over 2. So that my asymptotes now are at 0 and at pi, etc. So this is tangent of theta minus pi over 2. But then I need to reflect that over the x-axis. So I'm going to take that whole thing and flip it. So my asymptote is still at 0 and at pi. But this suddenly becomes a function that we looked at earlier today. This is the function of cotangent. So look at what we've shown. We've shown that cotangent of theta is the same thing as tangent of pi over 2 minus theta, which in fact is not one little bit of a surprise because these are coangles. So the cotangent of theta should be equal to the tangent of its complement.